Kubeta woman here. You caught me red-handed on my next project. We are busy making a raised bed planter as spring is here and planting season is upon us. Come I show you how to do this. Alright, I'm certain that you all have loose wood lying around. In this case, we made this planter out of pallets that were just lying around. And what we did additionally was to reinforce it with smaller, thicker 3x2s. This is most probably a 4x6 or 3x6. And we just already had an existing frame that was welded. And as you know, in Namibia, when you do a raised bed, make sure that you have it up from the ground and that it not necessarily have to be from wood. You know that in Namibia we have termites in certain areas, and your idea is that the termites does not get into your veggie patch or your flower patch, whatever you're planning to plant in the particular planter. I just want to show you that I'm using offcuts, which I cut to length for the frame. This is just regular chipboard. But you need to remember when you're planting with a wood that we need to line it out and that it would not affect the wood, because if you plant with just the straight wood and soil in, you will find that your wood planter will not last very long. The moisture and the soil will rot it and then it destroys. This, by putting a liner in, it allows for your raised planter to stay for a lot longer. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll just put this at the bottom, space it out evenly so that we can have put our soil in. Alright, so we raise our frame a little bit. And okay, oops, that's too short. And we put our little pieces in. You can see these are just all offcuts. Countersink and drink a pilot hole, and then we can put all our nails in and drill in. Back, and we just completed screwing in all our components and parts into our frame, and as you can see, it's sturdy. We have our base in, and what you need next, we have our soil, of course, ready prepared. What we need is an old plastic. Everybody has plastic from furniture, appliances that they've bought, and we're going to just double it up, and we're going to put the particular plastic inside. This is to protect the wood. And the next thing you need, and this I bought at Ferreira's Garden Center, it was 25 Namibian dollars per meter, and we're going to cut it up and line it on top of this so that the soil rests on this. This is called a weed guard. It is a permeable fabric, and so it's reasonable. This video is not sponsored by Ferreira's, but this is where I was able to find it at. Alright, so let's just go ahead and use our staple gun and a scissors and just put this in our beds. Okay, boom. have stapled in all the necessary, the plastic and the weed guard, and we still need to just poke holes in for drainage, and we can put our soil in, and we're ready for planting for the new season. From Kubeta Woman, love and kisses. See you next time.